Hi guys, this is Sumit and welcome back to Knowledge Modulation's new video. In this video, we are going to understand what are the cyber attacks, what are the different types of cyber crimes and how they are trying to affect your organization and you as an individual also. So in this 10 to 15 minutes, we are going to understand all kinds of or the most of the major types of cyber attacks, how they perform this attack and what type of precautions we have to take as an individual and as a business entrepreneur. So we are going to discuss these points in upcoming 10 to 15 minutes. So without wasting time, let's continue to our video. Cybercrime, this term itself defined as the use of digital technologies such as computer, internet to commit criminal activities. Malicious actors, often called as cyber criminals, they try to exploit computer hardware, network, software to vulnerabilities so that they can disturb your organizations and they can leak your data and they can have illegal access to your systems or your organization and networks. There are different types of cyber crimes including hacking, phishing, and then malware and identity theft. So what are these crimes, or if we want to describe this crime, then how we can describe it? What is hacking? So if somebody trying to get illegal access of your system, he is trying to pull some data from your system, or he is trying to get some illegal accesses of your identity or the account details or your system, etc., then it comes under the hacking. Then phishing. Sometimes you are getting mails that you have won this prize, and if you want to claim this, you need to click on below link and then you will get to redirect to the particular website and you will access that gift or etc. So these kind of emails are the phishing emails. By sending such kind of phishing emails, attacker wants you to click on that particular link, and once you click on that particular link, he will get full access of your system. So that links consist some different kinds of softwares that can pull your system's data and pass to the attacker. So this kind of attack is known as a phishing attack. Also after that, malwares. In your system or the network, by using any software or any key, they spread a malware like Trojan or viruses, or we can say the well-known attack like ransomware attack. So they spread this kind of malware in your network and then you will lose your control on your network. So this kind of attack is known as malwares. Then identity theft. You are already aware about the social media news, and recently there is one video of Prashmika Mandana. There is one deepfake video. So they can use your identity to be pretend someone else and they will try to get some kind of access. So this kind of attack comes under the identity theft type of cybercrime. So these are some kinds of cyber crimes. There are also so many kinds of cyber attacks, but nowadays these are the most common attacks by the attackers. If you go to the Google and if you can search the 2021 US oil pipeline cyber attack, so you will got to know that what kind of attack they can do. They are just not stealing any information, but they can do a worse thing. Like they stop US pipeline, oil pipeline, and they block their pipeline flow. So such a kind of attacks also done by these cyber criminals or the cyber attackers. Also there is one more example in recent 2023 only. There is one cyber attack there is a data leak by Pharmerica company. So you can just Google it, you will get all this information over there. So you can just assume how much huge impact on their companies or organizations by these attackers. Then what is the impact of these cyber attacks or the cyber crime? So there is first impact is the financial issues. Like they can steal your account information, payment information, and they will use it to make a payment, or they will illegitimate access to your payment cards and use your money without knowing you. Second impact is the personal effect, like you will lose your image. Like already I explained that deepfake videos, by using such kind of attack you may lose your identity or they will disturb your image. The another one and the most important is business disruption. Like if any attacker does DDoS attack on any server, then that system will not in use anymore. Like they will disturb all the network or all the servers. Suppose right now everybody is using Google, and someone attacks on the Google and Google services get stopped, then you can imagine how many companies are getting affected by affecting the Google server, because they are searching so many things every time, and they are doing their tasks, so all tasks will be getting stuck if the Google website is only getting hacked. So this kind of business disruption has been done by such a kind of attacks. Then the another one impact is public safety. Like we are visiting any time of any hospital due to any illness, so that data is getting stored at hospital database, or there are so many digital equipment as well. The electronics equipment we can say, so they are hackable, or they can hack such a kind of devices. Any electronics device we can hack. So such a kind of device, if hackers are going to hack, then it comes to the public safety. So you can imagine the impact of this cyber crime on our society. We already gone through this such a kind of a huge list of these impact and the different kinds of cyber attacks, but also I would like to introduce some statistics as well about this cyber crime. So what kind of statistics? I will explain you. You won't believe, but average cost of data breach in 2023 was 4.45 millions. Yes, you can Google it, IBM 2023. By using IBM 2023, you can just Google it and you will got to know all this information over there. Also, cyber crime is the third largest economy in the world after America and China. So you can imagine how much these cyber criminals are stolen this money from the organization and the individuals, as they are become the third largest economy in the world. Now we can see who can be the victims. Like cyber criminals are looking for whom? At any kind of individual as well sometimes, and different kinds of, or the all sizes of the organization are the victims. They are totally irrespective to the size of the organization. In June 2023, Microsoft experiences some kind of lag in their services like Outlook, Azure Cloud Storage, and many more services. Also, this Microsoft cyber crime was done by the cyber crime group Anonymous Sudans, and there is one more incident as well. In 2022, government of Costa Rica has declared emergency as their all devices are getting hacked. So you can imagine, just imagine, cyber criminals are going to attack a whole organization or the government. So they have such a kind of applications and the technologies that they are going to hack anything. So after knowing all these things, you are thinking like how we can prevent this cyber attacks or the cyber crime as individuals. So as individuals, you can also put your contribution. At least you can prevent hackers to steal your information. At least you are posting daily videos and all the information, you are visiting this site, this is my code and everything. They can steal any small information. If you are clicking a selfies in front of your door, they will get to know the address of your home. And in another pictures, if you are going to click with any foods and you are keeping your cards and the credit or debit cards besides, and some information that they will get any clue, any kind of clue, then that information they will collect and they will use it somewhere. So don't post such a kind of photos that will reveal your information, any kind of single bit of information. Also, you can use multi-factor authentication to authenticate, or instead of using the small password to your social media accounts or any kind of login to any websites. Also, if you are using passwords to log in the particular website, then try to use the complex password. As your password is very complex, then only it is getting difficult for users to decrypt it. Also, you are getting suspicious mails, suspicious messages that they are asking you to click on the particular links that you will get. They will give you some kind of attractions. Like if you are if you want to avail this offer, then click on this link. If your gift is ready, if you want to get this gift, then click on this link. Such kind of activities you have to prevent. Like you don't have to click on the any links without knowing anything. So you have to just take a precautions while clicking any link which you have received in your mails or the text messages. These precautions we can take as individuals, but for the businesses, For businesses, there is a separate criteria, obviously, because it's a huge organization or the large businesses, and they have to take care it like a different manner, in different manner. So they should have a strong firewall, IDS, IPS, network monitoring systems. Also, any encryption or the antivirus softwares, port blocking softwares, or the network monitoring tools, etc. Any software that can track your activities, network activities, and the firewall activities, etc. So that at least they will get some kind of extra security. They will get to know if somebody is trying to get the illegal access of your network. Also, a organization should have a computer hacking and forensic investigator, incident responder, ethical hacker, penetration tester, network security professionals, cyber security technicians, and also educating end user is most important job, because cyber security experts will do their jobs, but somehow any phishing mail comes into your organization, then end user also needs to know about the phishing and everything, every cyber type of cyber attack, so that they can exploit, and they will be the victim to exploit whole network. So educating end user is also one of the most important thing. What we can do precautionary measures if cyber attack is happened. So we should have to ready to respond this cyber attack, and how we can respond it. So there should be a plan, respond plan ready with us. In that, identifying and containing the threat is the one of the important steps we have to take. Then we have to invest what are the damages. We have to access all the damages. We should know at which areas we have damaged. Then mitigating the vulnerabilities. We have to check all the vulnerabilities. Then we have to report this to the particular authority. There is a separate team like incidents responding team or the forensic team, that we have to inform them, or at least there is a security team. We have to inform them if we found such a kind of incidences to be happened in our organizations. Now we have already gone through so many points like cyber crimes and their types and what they can affect to our organization and as individuals. But if we are looking at positive perspective like career opportunities to the cyber security, then there is a huge opportunities. As you can see, there is so many cyber crimes are happening around us. As our technology is growing, the cyber crimes rate also growing. It is also increased, as earlier as I told you that cyber crime is the third largest economy in the world. They are growing very fast, and we have to also learn such things or such technologies that we can prevent them. Ethical hacker, certified ethical hacker, or the digital forensics, network forensics, such kind of key skills we should have, and these key skills are in very high demand right now. So if you are looking as a career perspective to the cyber security, then it's a huge opportunity and very great career point of view. So guys, I think I have delivered you a lot of information regarding this cyber security, different types of cyber crimes, and what is the cyber crimes, how they are trying to attack you, and how you should take precautionary measures to prevent from these cyber attacks and everything. So this is a little bit information actually regarding this cyber security and the cyber crimes. If you want to more information about the cyber security and the cyber crimes and related to this security, then please follow to my channel and do like and share this video with your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel Knowledge Modulation, and we will get back to you with more information and more topics related to the technology. So till that time, have a good day. Bye bye.